Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's recipe I am going to show how to make pumpkin curry. Dudhyache ambot tik with coconut milk. So this is very delicious. Our Goans knows this, and those who don't know, we make this specially on Goan weddings. I will show in detailed recipe, follow step by step, and this for sure you will make everyone happy in your family. So let's get started. So let's start grinding the masala. For the masala, what we need is 3 Kashmiri red chilies and 3 Bedgi chilies. You need to break them in pieces. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, whole cumin, half a inch of cinnamon stick, 1 inch of ginger, 1 pot of garlic clove, 5 cloves, and 20 each of black peppercorn. Now, in order to make a fine paste, add water and blend this. Once the pan is hot, add oil, add onion. I've taken 2 medium onion, chop, saute this for a while. So once the onion is slightly brown in color, add tomato, which I have taken 1 medium, and green chili 2 split. Let this cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So once this onion and tomato is ready, we need a pumpkin size. Check this size. This is how you have to cut. Add the pumpkin, add salt, and saute this for at least 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, add dry prawns. Dry prawns I have taken 20 grams. Before adding dry prawns, you have to soak it in water. Clean them, remove the head, and soak it in water and keep at least 10-15 minutes. Mix it well. Now add masala. Before you add water to the jar, just saute it this for 2 minutes on a medium flame. Now I will add water, mix it. I just passed water from the jar. It's the same water it is. Now cover this and cook till it is 80% done. We'll open this. Now add half a tablespoon of vinegar. Tamarind, I have taken half a size of a lemon. I have made pulp out of it. Soak it in warm water and keep it for at least 20 minutes and then squeeze the pulp out. Now just mix this. Now keep the flame on low. Let this simmer. Also add sugar, half a teaspoon. Mix this for a while. Now this are already cooked. Check this. Check this. They are already cooked. Keep the flame on low. Now I will add coconut milk, which is 1 coconut. I have extract juice from it. Mix this and leave it on simmer. Let this simmer for 2 minutes after adding coconut milk, and this is ready now to be served. Check this, how lovely it looks, color. This you can try this at home and you will definitely make everyone happy. So Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Thank you very much, guys.